Hey guys, Trading Carter here. I have some more cards to open up. Today, I have a Pokemon stickers pack with 10 stickers. Pretty cool. And a Pop Series 1 pack. So, I'm going to start out with the stickers and see what cool stuff is inside. Alright. And we start out with Ash there. Pretty cool Prism card. And we have Squirtle, Hitmonchan, Primeape, and we flip them all around here. Alright, and we have Sandshrew, Pinsir, very cool, Ponyta, Pidgeotto, Seadra, and Machoke. So, very, very cool. We got the Prism Ash Ketchum right there. So, very cool. Now, on to the Pop Series 1 pack. See if there's anything cool inside of here. And we have a Beautifly, that's an uncommon, and very cool Tyranitar EX. Very, very awesome. Very, very awesome. Love that pull. So, there we go, guys. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you did, a comment and a like would be much appreciated. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later.